Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk about three things that I think matter way more than recipes because recipes are super helpful, but they're not what makes someone a good cook or a good chef. So these three things are things I feel like are easy to just put into your repertoire, add to your like whole ability of cooking at home, and make you not only a better home cook, but a better cook overall. The first one is timing. As food hits the pan, you need to make sure that your timing is on point. Timing is understanding like when things are starting to happen, not just how they're happening. So if you know what's going in first, what needs to wait, what's gonna finish the dish, understanding that when you're multitasking, what you need to go ahead and cook at the same time so everything finishes at all at the same time. That makes a world of difference. So timing is pretty much controlling the movement of everything that you're doing in the kitchen. Which brings us to number two, awareness. So as you stir and adjust and do all the things, like good cooking is all about awareness. Watching the heat, listening to the pan, adjusting as you go. Adjust your seasonings as well because we all have different taste buds. We give you I guess I would say a blueprint when you're making a recipe of what to put in. But you might like salt more than me. That means you need to add a little bit more salt here and there. So adjust, and understand that awareness is key. Last but not least, I think this brings it all together, is your flow. Flow is just like what keeps everything smooth. Cleaning as you go. Use for your tools. Also, keeping the space clear. Understanding that your mise en place back in place. We talked about mise en place earlier, so keeping everything in place. Understanding where everything is so that your flow is clean. You can easily go from point A to point B. You can get things done. Empty bowls move to the side, clean your countertops off. Just make sure your station is always ready to go to the next part of your recipe. So I think these three items or these three things work even better than having the perfect recipe. And no matter what recipe you use, if you think about all three of these all the time, you will be a better cook in the end. Thank you.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.